After a very rapid downturn, the stock market is on a continuous rise since the end of March, and it looks like nothing has ever happened. The past few months created the opportunity for one of the greatest wealth transfers, and here's why. What is up everyone, it's Alex here. Thank you for joining the video. I would highly appreciate if you smash the like button and smash the subscribe button, and that's of course if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoy content like this. After a couple of tough months, the big businesses seem to rebound very quickly from the lockdown, with increasing valuations and leading the stock market with a blind optimism, while small businesses continue to drop one by one, the data showing skyrocketing bankruptcies. As the data shows, the lockdown had its biggest impact on the small businesses, the mom and pop shops, and the people, the consumers. Many of the businesses come out from the mandated lockdowns virtually unscratched and now are shooting for all-time highs. The environment created by the virus that shall not be named gave the big businesses the opportunity to restructure their products, restructure their operations, and restructure their employees' schemes, giving them the golden ticket to lay off people that were not as productive and to put on hold the payrolls or to cut the payrolls for the people that continued to work during this tough time, that were there to carry out the activity and to push it out from the darkness created by the state mandated lockdown. So ultimately, the pandemic and the mandated state lockdowns created the proper environment for businesses to restructure their activity and to come out stronger than ever. And you might be wondering, how come that the economy did not recover, but the stock market almost recovered to the levels that were pre-pandemic? I mean, there are still tens of millions of people that are unemployed. So how come that the economy is bad, but the stock market shows signs of tremendous improvement? But maybe the divergence shows that the stock market does not represent the economy, but the future of the big businesses, and it pre-shows the wealth transfer that is going to happen during the next couple of months to the next couple of years. So where is the wealth transferring happening? Well, it's right in front of our eyes. It slowly transfers from the small businesses to the big businesses, and in some sort or some part from the people to the big businesses. The state mandated lockdowns created the proper environment for the businesses to prosper, to give them access to funding, to give them access to survive during the tough times. And because they were big from the very beginning, they had access to cash, access to resources that other small companies or other small businesses did not have. The small businesses did not have preferential treatment from the big lenders. They did not have such high support from the authorities. And well, the results are starting to show up with increasing numbers of bankruptcies, especially in the ranks of the small businesses, because in the end only a few of the big businesses are actually going bankrupt, which is Hertz, JCPenney, and a few others here and there, but most of them, the biggest of them all, are surviving and thriving in this economic environment. Another wealth transfer that is happening and is continuing to happen over the next 10 to 20 years is the wealth transfer from the baby boomers to the younger generation, where it's expected that about $30 trillion of wealth will be transferred from one generation to the other. Most of this wealth that's going to be transferred is locked in assets like real estate, stocks, and other assets that the baby boomers were able to gather throughout their entire lives, and that's going to be passed down to the younger generation. But I'm left wondering if this economic environment that we live in right now will also shift this wealth transfer from the baby boomers to the big businesses instead of from the baby boomers to the younger generation. If those baby boomers will be constrained to sell their assets slowly but surely, will the wealth transfer shift from the younger generation to the big businesses? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, I'll join you and chat with you afterwards. Alright everyone, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you found any value in this video, feel free to smash the like button. Also, feel free to smash the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this, if you want to see more content related to personal finance, investing. This was a fun video and I thought might spark an interest in many of you related to the economy and whatever is going on with the current economic environment. Until next time, I wish you a wonderful day, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.